Can you exercise while fasting? Absolutely. And I encourage it. Just don't increase your exercise routine during fasting. You want to probably even scale it down just a little bit. You want to make sure that you stay well hydrated. So if you're exercising, make sure you're drinking more water. So don't just drink water while you fast, drink more water than usual while you're fasting. And so if you're normally drinking 64 ounces, maybe increase that 24 ounces. Stop working out if you start to feel weak, dizzy, or short of breath. And that means short of breath more than usual when you're hiking up a hill. If dizziness or weakness occurs, drink an electrolyte drink. So that's okay. You're not going to blow the whole fast, but you've got to bring up your electrolyte. So if you don't have an electrolyte drink, then just get about a fourth a teaspoon or a half a teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt and put that in your water, or you can just throw an ounce of the refuel minerals in your water, and that is your electrolyte drink. If you're fasting for 24 hours or more, stay on the safe side by only practicing low intensity exercise such as yoga or walking. So this is a healing journey. And so you want to take time to really nourish the body at different levels. So the exercise is a way to really stimulate and nourish the body and lower cortisol levels, reduces stress. The meditation, I highly recommend that you do that because that's going to really help you or at a spiritual and physical level. Those of you who are just cardio junkies, as long as you don't push yourself and you stick to the lower intensity, use an elliptical rather than doing sprint when you're fasting, you should be fine. But again, just scale it back. Don't increase exercise during the fasting period. You're not going to have the energy with the initial fast. That will come as you get into the weeks of fasting. You're going to have a lot more energy, cognition, vitality, all of that. But the first few days is going to be a little bit rough. So you're going to have probably quite a bit of fatigue. But if you do feel like it, then do it. If you don't, then rest. A 30 to 45 minute walk a day is sufficient when fasting.